Hello and welcome to AC 501 Financial Accounting and Reporting, Unit 2, where we're going to be discussing the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows. So after you complete this unit, you should be able to categorize the major classifications of the statement of financial position or balance sheet. Additionally, you should be able to critique the uses and limitations of an income statement. You should be able to defend how to report other comprehensive income and analyze the statement of cash flows. Lastly, you should be able to evaluate operating, investing, and financing activities in the statement of cash flows. Welcome to AC 501 Financial Accounting and Reporting, Unit 2. In Unit 2, you will be examining the financial statements in detail. We are primarily going to focus our attention on the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows, as well as the effect all of these statements have on financial reporting. Let's move on to our Unit 2 overview and outcomes. So basically, at the end of this unit, you will become more familiarized with the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows. In this unit, you are going to be reading Chapter 4, Income Statement and Related Information, and Chapter 5, the Statement of Financial Position, which is the balance sheet, and the Statement of Cash Flows. So the income statement is covered in the first chapter, and the balance sheet, which is also known as a financial position in international standards, remember, International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. And then lastly, we're going to analyze the cash flows. So for the rest of the units, you'll be reading about the specific accounts associated with the financial statements and the proper way to account for these components within the financial statements. As always, we have in Unit 2 our discussion board. I look forward to your participation in our discussions. And then we have several learning activities combined for you in Wiley Plus, and I hope you take advantage of those. Our Wiley Plus assignment, which is just a learning lab activity. And then you actually have your lab assignments, and in the lab you are going to be completing these exercises within Wiley Plus. Just click Open Assignment and begin. Our financial statements. When you are ready, just click Open Assignment and it will link you directly to Wiley Plus so you can gather that information and then take care of the Unit 2 quiz after you complete the practice quiz. And in this unit, there is no Unit 2 seminar that is required, but I will be hosting a bonus seminar at our same date and time. So once you have completed all of those activities, you would get to the end of our Unit 2, and hopefully you'll have a better understanding of the financial statements in detail. Hopefully you would have gathered information on the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows, and the effect that these financials have on the overall financial reporting process. Looking ahead, in Unit 3, you're going to learn about the complexities of revenue recognition and the potential issues that could arise from the revenue recognition rules. You're also going to learn a bit about accounts receivable, AR, inventory, and our favorites, cash accounts, as vital assets to any organization.